This is a book ball summary of the book Jab Jab Jab, Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. Nowadays, people scramble all over each other to scream as loudly as possible on social media. They must think it's the only way to get heard and spread the word about their product. They're wrong. With billions of voices and brands all clamouring for attention, it's easy to get lost in the shuffle. But the truth is, shouting louder isn't the answer. The key to standing out is knowing your story and presenting it in the best possible way on each social network. In this book, you'll learn simple tricks and tips to help you cut through the noise and reach more people than you ever thought possible. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your social media game to the next level. Number 1. Social media is essential for successful product marketing. The widespread use of mobile phones has led to a significant increase in social media usage. In the US, there's around 325 million mobile phone subscriptions, which is more than the population count in 2013, which was 316 million. This indicates that almost every person in the United States now owns a phone, and most of them are also on social media, the websites or applications that allow people to connect and network. According to eMarketer Market Research, almost half of the time people spend on their phones is devoted to social media. Social media has changed our consumption habits. It directly influences the way we spend our money. 1 out of every 4 people uses social media to help them decide what to purchase. Furthermore, social media is not limited to young people. Baby boomers recently increased their social media consumption by 42% in just 1 year. While it's normal for new forms of media to surpass old ones, social media takeover has been significantly faster. Marketers must learn how to utilize these powerful new tools. Social media is an indispensable part of our modern age. Number 2. A great marketing campaign relies on its content. What do these social changes mean for marketers? In today's digital age, marketers must create compelling content that captivates their audience and tells a story. With so much competition on social media, exceptional content is the key to standing out from the crowd. Successful marketing campaigns now require fresh content regularly, which immerses customers in a brand's narrative. This campaign leads to increased brand exposure and, ideally, sales. Although every company's approach may differ, there are some fundamental rules for creating exceptional content. Firstly, it must not be intrusive or annoying, but rather blend seamlessly into the consumer's lifestyle. Anyone can avoid ads through DVRs, ad block, mute buttons, or simply fast scrolling. Marketing content has to be genuinely entertaining to catch the eye. The content must also be informative and interactive without being overly demanding of the audience. Lastly, effective content must be native to the platform it's on, fitting the format, demographics, and trends of that platform. For example, an unclear or low-quality photo on Pinterest might flop, but be a hit on Twitter if it's posted with a witty caption. For marketers to succeed in this ever-changing landscape, they must understand the functions of various social networks to use them to their fullest potential. If you're learning something new from this video, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 3. If you want to maximize exposure on Facebook, your content has to be outstanding. Facebook provides an ideal platform for engaging with customers, and its enormous user base with over 1 billion active users per month in 2012 makes it a constantly buzzing hub of activity. Interestingly, Facebook captures a significant proportion of the total web page views in the United States, accounting for 1/5 of all views. Compared to other advertising mediums like TV ads, Facebook advertising is relatively inexpensive. Television and campaigns can cost between $7,000 and $13,000, while Facebook ads cost between 50 cents and $1.50 per like, and they're interactive, allowing for easy sharing among users. Despite these benefits, advertising on Facebook presents some challenges, as the platform is designed to prioritize user experience over advertising. Facebook developed the EdgeRank algorithm to address this issue. Every time a user does something on Facebook, it's recorded as a piece of information called an edge. EdgeRank keeps track of these and uses them to determine what should go into the newsfeed. This means marketers have to create content that can generate more interaction, or edges. In short, your content has to be great for Facebook advertising to be worth it. Number 4. Twitter can provide great brand exposure if used properly. Twitter presents great opportunities for businesses, but it's often utilized inefficiently. It can be another dream come true for marketers, as it allows them to connect directly with consumers. In 2021, Twitter had more than 100 million users in the United States and 500 million worldwide. Unlike Facebook pages, Twitter profiles are almost entirely public, making it easier for strangers to connect. However, Reaching potential customers through Twitter can be challenging, as their feeds are constantly inundated with tweets, many of which are spontaneous conversations. How then can marketers make their content stand out? One good strategy to adopt is trendjacking, which involves capitalizing on a popular issue people are discussing. Trending topics, which are the most talked about topics on Twitter, are identified by a mathematical algorithm and listed on the site. Additionally, hashtags, which mark keywords and categorize tweets, also offer good marketing opportunities. However, hashtags are often overused or misused with random or excessive humor or irony, which can backfire and make a brand appear out of touch. Therefore, it's crucial to use hashtags that hit the right tone. Number 5. Businesses still haven't caught on to the marketing power of Pinterest. Any marketers targeting a female demographic would be crazy not to use Pinterest. It's a perfect social media platform for sales, especially for women. Pinterest provides virtual pin boards that people can pin images to. So, companies can create virtual storefronts where each image links directly to their home site. For example, a tea company could draw in travelers by hosting a pin board for teacups spotted in the strangest places in the world. Pinterest is massively underused by marketers. A 2012 survey found that Pinterest users were 79% more likely to buy a product on Pinterest than on Facebook. By 2012, the number of users had grown by 379%, and by 2013, it had 48.7 million users. Pinterest also has a large gender bias towards women. Females on the site outnumber males 5 to 1, and about half are mothers. So it could be an ideal market for home goods or any other products targeted largely at women. So why aren't businesses all over Pinterest? Well, legal issues and business dogmatism are the main reasons. Pinterest has done its best to make its terms of use more business friendly. So copyright issues don't seem to be a danger. Businesses just don't want to put in the effort of expanding to a new platform in case it's nothing but a fad. Thanks for watching. We hope this video provided valuable insight and information for you. Which social media platform do you use more often? Facebook or Twitter? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you learned something new from this video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you, and until next time.